This hot cranberry citrus drink makes a good alternative for cider beverages. All you will need are just a few ingredients to make this simple yet flavorful drink. In a large saucepan, add the cranberries, water, and cinnamon sticks. Bring to a boil, then simmer for 5 minutes until the cranberries pop. Strain into a bowl, discarding the pulp and cinnamon. Then, add in the granulated sugar, fresh orange slices, and lemon juice. Whisk until the sugar has dissolved. Pour into mugs and garnish with orange slices before serving. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.